Cboe Global Markets announced plans to launch Cboe Continuous Futures for Bitcoin and Ether in the US, starting November 10, 2025, pending regulatory review. This initiative brings a regulated alternative to popular offshore perpetual-style digital futures, set to launch on the Cboe Futures Exchange with contracts lasting up to 10 years. The new futures will be cash-settled and adjust daily to real-time spot prices, using transparent funding rates to simplify participation for institutional and retail traders. Clearing will be handled by Cboe Clear US, overseen by the CFTC, as Cboe aims to enhance its crypto derivatives offerings and provide more robust, transparent trading options domestically. Educational sessions about the product launch are scheduled for October 30th and November 20th. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and Ethereum's fourth quarter will be shaped by anticipated Federal Reserve cuts and surging ETF demand, with projections showing substantial ETF inflows and notable price impacts during Fed decision weeks. Past trends revealed that during rate cut weeks, Bitcoin ETFs saw $2.4 billion and Ethereum ETFs $600 million in new inflows, demonstrating a strong correlation between Fed actions and crypto demand. Based on 3 potential 2025 easing scenarios, expert models project weekly Bitcoin ETF flows could reach as high as $2 billion during decision periods, translating to significant gains in spot prices. Aggressive rate cuts of 125 BPs could drive $1.5 to $6.0 billion in ETF inflows in Q4 alone, creating a 18% flow-linked price impulse for Bitcoin. Market participants are advised to follow data-dependent macro indicators closely, as real-time scenario analysis remains essential for navigating crypto volatility. Options activity and events like the record $100 billion Treasury bill sale continue to influence both ETF flows and prices, especially for Ethereum ETFs. The Atlanta Fed and FOMC policy calendars show ongoing expectations for rate cuts through 2025 and 2026, reinforcing sustained favorable conditions for systematic crypto inflows. Japanese firm Metaplanet is also making headlines after raising $1.4 billion in an international stock offering to strengthen its Bitcoin acquisition strategy for digital asset expansion. Demand for Metaplanet shares was so robust that the number offered more than doubled, providing strong capital for their digital asset focus. Metaplanet plans to use the newly raised funds to make significant Bitcoin purchases as part of its strategic shift toward digital assets. By tapping into heightened investor interest, Metaplanet is positioning itself as a major player in the corporate crypto investment space. This successful fundraising round solidifies Metaplanet's ability to expand its Bitcoin holdings and reinforces the growing trend of corporate treasury engagement with digital assets. As regulated futures advance, institutional inflows accelerate, and corporations double down on crypto, the landscape of digital asset markets continues to evolve rapidly. Stay tuned, do your research, and join the conversation. Are you ready to seize the opportunities in this dynamic digital marketplace?